Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to discuss here types of force. All right. So there are two types of force: contact force and non-contact force. So the first type of force is contact force. So the name itself defined it. Contact, that means when force is in direct contact, then it is said to be a contact force. So a force between object in direct contact with each other. Okay, so here three types of force: muscular force, frictional force, mechanical force are the example of contact force. And the second type of force is non contact force. Now it is very obviously, in this case there is no contact between the two objects, means object not in direct contact with each other. So basically they are not going to touch each other, but still there is a force which is existing between them. Okay, so magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force are the example of non contact force. Now first look this example. So here you see who is applying the force: this person. So if you see here, the hands of the person as in direct contact with this object. It's a direct contact, so this is an example of direct contact. Now what type of force this person applying? Means the force is applying of which part of his body? This force being is applying by his muscles, so this is a muscular force. So here you can see the muscular force is a contact force. Here every time a person will be in contact with the object. So whenever we talk about contact force, that means the object is direct contact with the other object who is applying force. Means all types of movement which takes place in our body, like we move our hands, we move our legs. So all these movement happens due to the action or activity muscles present inside our body. When you playing football, you need movement your legs as well as your hands. So all these movement takes place in your muscles. So we can define the muscular force. The force resulting due to the action of muscles is known as muscular force. And we use muscular force during walking, running, pushing, pulling and lifting certain objects. Let's take an example of magnetic force. You have a iron clips here and magnet here, and when you bring the iron clip near the magnet, you will see the iron clips move towards the magnet due to attractive force. This attractive force is known as magnetic force. Okay, so here you have seen that magnetic force act even when two objects, the magnet and the iron clips, are do not in contact with each other. So this is an example of non contact force.